Hey, it's Jeff and Linz here from Perth County Moto, answering more of your questions. And today we're answering the question we get asked the most.
The $1 million question.
Where is the new location going to be?
So let's go take a look. Here we are in the beautiful town of...
All right, our exciting new locations here. Let's take a look. All right, so coming into the space, this is really cool. This is where the window bike's going to be.
Oh, and this space over here is going to be perfect for the camera.
Oh, Linz, I think something's wrong with the camera. Hold on.